Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have this John Deere GS30 walk behind. It has a bad drive belt. I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace that drive belt. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and grab you a jack. It don't have to be a large jack like I have here. It can be a small jack. Get the wheel up off the ground, just enough to where you think the belt will slip under it. Go ahead and remove these two wing nuts. Now this plate should just come right off. Now go ahead and put the brake on. So what I'm going to do now that I have the brake on and I got some slack in it, this belt is probably worn, it's a little stretched. I'll pull it off of that one. I'll take it off the top one, and it comes off pretty easily. Then it drops down and right underneath the tire. Here's the invoice for the new belt I purchased. Here is the number for the belt. As you can see, there's the total cost, $34.77. I got it from the dealer. Here's the belt, and here's the number. I purchased two of these off Amazon, but they were both the wrong size, so I just went to the dealer and purchased this one. Numbers are on the belt. Now what I'm going to do, we'll go ahead, I'm going to slide it under the tire, bring it up through the pulley, and you have a bar down here. It's a belt keeper. Keep it inside on the pulley. Then just go ahead and bring it over here. Put it on here like so, and this one is a little tighter than the other one, I can tell already. And then I'm going to have to take the brake off because I need to turn this wheel. Once the brake's off, this wheel will turn, and I'll be able to put this the rest of the way on just by turning the tire or rolling the tire just like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the brake back on. Now I should be able to get this underneath here. It'll be a little tighter because the other belt was stretched a little bit. This one here is a little bit tighter, which is good. That's what I want. And that's all there is to it. I'll go ahead and put the cover and the two wing nuts back on here. And that's all there is to it. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.